Hey guys, what's going on? How cool is this? Today we're going to be unboxing the new ESKY 150EC. I've had the 150 V2 for quite a while. Now this thing is awesome. It's great to fly, a little bit more challenging. Look, I've broken a couple things off this. The blades are pretty worn, but it's still an unreal helicopter. I think its front wheels possibly broken. But this is awesome. So when I found that they had actually released a second scale, a second scale version, I just had to get it. Now let's get right into it. It's my first unboxing video, so I always thought these were quite funny to watch until I started watching them and actually enjoyed it. So here we go. Manual. Wow. Oh, remote. In mode 1, which is so awesome. Normally these cheaper RCs are only available in mode 2, which is throttle on the left, which is so frustrating because I fly mode 1. That's really nice. Those sticks, they're aluminium. So this is my first time seeing it, guys. I haven't but that's very similar to the 150, except you got this new switch, which is green dot rotate at low speed. Not sure what that means. Low, high. Very nice for a cheap helicopter. That's a legit remote. Now we got the manual. 2 batteries. How good's that? I've ordered more because I thought it only came with 1, but it comes with 2. At least my version. New tail. Some spare blades. There's the USB charger and a little screwdriver. And now for the main event, what you all came for. Wow. That is insane. Oh, so it is a tail rotor. That's cool though. Still from a distance when it's flying, I'm sure it looks like that's spinning. Wow. For such a cheap helicopter, that is so cool. Now, you pull this off, you just pull the canopy cover forwards to remove. Very similar base. It feels a bit weightier than, it's pretty similar. Same style, same sort of size. The color is awesome. Blue and the yellow just works so well. Even if these ESKY logos. These have got to be one of my favorite RCs. Love the small scale. Actually just flick that and it starts up. that was a bit of a fail. Definitely pilot error, but that's all right. We'll get that fixed up. ESKY have definitely lifted their game since the 150 V2. This new one is so much more stable and way easier to operate. You can see I was trying to trim it up, and that's when I accidentally hit the side of the shed and crashed it. But in saying that, I've crashed this one probably 15, 20 times, and it's solid. The only thing that's a little bit unstable is the front wheel. So I think that is a weakness, that it's had one crash and it's broke, which is a bit of a shame. So if you're after durability, maybe go for one of their other helicopters. I bought it for the scale because it just looks so awesome. Let me know what you guys thought. If there's anything else you want to see, more videos of it flying. It's very hard to film these little things flying because they're just all over the place, but let me know. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Make sure to comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And yeah, check out our other videos if you're into RC builds, bashing, all that sort of stuff. We got a couple back there that we're doing. But yeah, that's it for the ESKY 150EC. Very, very cool.